everyone. Welcome back. Jean Kanicki here. Today we're making a small rib roast. What I'm going to do is put some slits in it here, and we're going to insert some garlic. See, I have garlic cloves here. So we're going to put these right in there so it'll be infused with the garlic. Okay, we need to make one more. There you go. So all we did was put a little bit of olive oil on it and salt and pepper. And we're going to add some clementines. I cut these up, put them on the bottom here. And we have some red and yellow peppers, just for flavor. I like to have a little bit of aromatic flavor when I cook a roast. So we have some celery. And you can put any kind of aromatics. You can put lemon or oranges or even apples if you'd like. So what we're gonna do is put our roast, see, it's very small. I have a little rack here and I'm gonna put it right over there for the roast. And it's sitting nice. The oven heating up at 350, and we're going to do a reverse sear on this. We have to cook it for 2 hours because we like ours more on the done side. And so we're going to cook it for 2 hours, but the last 15 minutes we're going to turn the oven up to 500 degrees, and so it has a nice crust on it. So what we're going to do is put that in the oven, and I'm making some of my famous sweet potatoes again, and this recipe is already on my channel, and I'll put it up on the top so you can see it. In addition to that, while the oven is on, and I'm sure we'll have leftovers, I am putting in some baked potatoes. Okay, we'll be back in a few minutes when it's done. So our rib roast is ready, and we're going to take it out. Ooh. Look how beautiful that
wow.
is.
I may want to eat it.
It's a beautiful small rib roast. And so now we're just gonna temp it and sit for about 15-20 minutes, and then we'll cut into it. In the meantime, here are my beautiful sweet potatoes. So, okay, so we're gonna carve our small roast. So I'm just gonna take it like so, put it on here. I'm gonna take these. I can take the cooking twine away. The outside is nice and crispy. All right. Perfect. We don't like our roast to be too pink. It's just a little bit of pink in the middle, but very little. Very, very little pink, which is the way we like it. It's perfectly done for us. Beautiful. I'm just gonna leave that one piece like that. A piece. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And there you have it, folks. Beautiful rib roast. When I make a rib roast, I like to use, this is a coriander chutney that I use on the side of my roast, in addition to my gravy. And I'm an Amazon affiliate. If you go down in the bottom of where it says more, you will see the link. You can buy these at Amazon. They're about $10, $12, but it's definitely worth it. It's beautiful. I'll show you my gravy. I made some gravy to go with my roast, and look at that. It stays on the spoon. Thank you all so very much for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Stay well.